Well, Dawn, happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Thank you
To
very
the
much.
biggest mother I know.
Hey, now.
Hey, we got gifted a used Blackstone.
We did. We
Woo!
did.
We are so excited. And we are going to make some teriyaki chicken fried rice.
Yes. Yummy.
Yummy, yummy. And we're going to, that's all for you for Mother's Day.
Bless your
I'm
fine
doing all the
little
cooking,
head.
baby.
I'm telling
That's
you.
it. You're so happy we got a Blackstone.
Yes. It's
But
so
here it
cool.
is. And we're not going to say who gave it to us, but we sure do appreciate it. Thank you, folks. We love you for it. And it's one of those adventure models. Got a little stand there. And boy, we are looking forward to it. But you know, I think we need to change something, Dawn.
What's that?
We need to change that right there, right now. And that is much, much better.
Beautiful.
Woo! All right, well, let's get to some cooking. And what you're seeing here is I've already got the chicken thighs cooked up. That's right, we just used thighs, absolutely delicious. And hey, they're cheap. And what you're seeing here is the mix of the chicken thighs and the frozen vegetable mix. And here you see me throwing the rice on. Gotta make sure you dry this rice out, like overnight. And we use the regular long grain, so it's a little bit wetter. And now we're throwing some teriyaki on there and a little soy sauce, getting that rice yummy good. That's right. So yeah, we're mixing both in there, teriyaki and soy. And we got a little kicker coming a little bit later. But yeah, she's mixing up real good. It takes quite a bit to flavor that rice up the way you want it. You know, but boy, it came out good. Mm-mm. Yeah, actually the only real sticking we had was that rice because it was a little bit wet. Throw a little garlic powder in there. Gotta have your seasonings. Salt, pepper. You know, do it to taste, however you like to eat it. Man, it looks like a lot of salt. Hey, it's good though, ain't it? Just don't tell my doctor. I didn't say this was a healthy meal. Hey, it's Mother's Day, you know? You gotta eat good. Got to eat good once in a while. Have some more of that teriyaki going in there. Man, somebody needs to get me away from the condiments. Yeah, this is the point when you start to get hungry, you know? You've been cooking quite a while now. All right, I'm gonna mix all that up because I am getting hungry. Now we're throwing that chicken thigh, and that frozen vegetables. Yeah, use the frozen vegetables, that's the way to go. And we're mixing everything together with that rice we've been working on, getting all that just perfect with the teriyaki and the soy sauce. It's starting to look like a mountain of goodness. All right, now for that kicker I mentioned earlier. Whoo, yeah, this is some Thai-style sweet chili sauce. Ooh, man, that'll light your taste buds right up. It ain't too hot, it ain't too sweet, it's just right. Woo, I like that Thai-style sweet chili sauce. That's the little kicker, the little bam right there for you. It makes it special good. All right, now for the last part of the puzzle. Yeah, that little bit of extra kick goodness. We gotta have some more protein in there. Yeah, you can't have fried rice. No, not Asian style without, well, a couple of them yardbird eggs. Yeah, you gotta get you a couple of chicken eggs. I'm making a little well there and putting some oil in it. And then we're gonna crack these eggs and get them in there and make them all yummy good and mix them up. That is the final final ingredient. A couple of farm fresh eggs right there. And we're gonna get them cooked up all good and mix it all in. And man, I'll tell you what, my tummy's rumbling, my mouth's watering. Woo, boy, I wish you could smell how good this is. I'm hungry, hungry. Yeah, getting them eggs all scrambled up and looking good. Man, I could eat this for breakfast. Yeah, I could. I might. My leftovers might be for breakfast tomorrow. I'm not sure. That's looking good though. We're getting that egg. Make sure that's all cooked up good. Heck, that grill's probably 4,000 million degrees by now. So ain't nothing. Ain't no worries there. Oh man. Yeah, this is another angle here. It even looks better from this angle. I'm hungry. Come on now, we gotta be ready to eat, ain't we? We're getting there. We're getting there. Hang on, folks. We're getting there. Oh, I almost forgot it. Be sure to hang in there, because I'm asking to show you how to clean this mess up, how to make this grill look almost brand new again, and get her all set for your next cook. We'll do that before we wrap this video up. Yep, that was water. Yeah, I know. You're saying that's an iron griddle. How you're gonna make it rough? No, we ain't. We're gonna get that sticky, gooey, sugary stuff off there. That water, man, it'll help you out. Trust me.
A little water.
Put a quart of oil while it's hot, just like your seasoning. Yeah, after you cook, I mean, do it just almost like you're seasoning again. Get that oil. There's nothing wrong with that. Water is the best way to clean these when you get sticky, sugary stuff. That water's your best friend, man. I worked on a flat top for years professionally. Of course, it was stainless. Big difference, but these are better, really. We had a little bit of sticking with the rice, but that's just because it was wet. We didn't get the jasmine. Got the cheapest rice we could find.
Long grain, right?
Yep, the long grain. Yep. Couple more paper towels, and then should be good. All right, and then once she cools down, she's really getting a nice seasoning. We had to re-season this, but she's looking real nice. But once it cools down, just do a real light layer of oil. We'll be cooking on this probably in the next day or two. If you're not gonna cook for a while, you know, you might wanna leave a little more oil in there, but use your grill, man. That's the best thing you can do. We're gonna go ahead and put a little oil in there. Just to prevent anything from, you know, sitting outside the night at the campground, so don't want any moisture getting in there. We're gonna put the cover on, of course. But yeah, put a little bit of oil. Make sure you do your sides, the corners. You'll be all set. All you gotta do is come out and start cooking for your next meal. But they're a whole lot of fun. They're a whole lot of yummy. You know, you gotta weigh your options. If you're like us, you can't afford to go to a Japanese steakhouse all the time or a fancy Chinese restaurant. You can do it right at home. And we got this gifted to us, believe it or not, pre-owned. Blackstone gifted to us, and we want to thank those folks. They know who they are. Not sure if they'd be comfortable with us mentioning their names, so we want to thank them. and we're going to use the heck out of this. We sure appreciate it. Really nice. So thank you all. We love you for that. We love all our viewers. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button for more great videos. We're out here having an adventure, and this is all part of it. So I think she looks pretty good, Dawn. What do you think?
Yep, looks good.
All right, she's all set for next time. All right, and then as we say, we hope you're out there finding your Xanadu. Hey! You're supposed to wait. That's not right.
Toodaloo.
Oh, man. That's not fair.